need sweets. I open my fridge. I've got heavy cream, dark chocolate, and strawberry jam. Let's turn these three ingredients into magical and easy peasy, delicious and decadent desserts. Here's my very own version of only 3 ingredients mousse in a chocolate caps. Okay, let's do this. Get your dark chocolate, microwave for 30 seconds interval until it's melted. Then get an available container. Paint the chocolate inside. Then when it's done, set aside in a fridge for 30 minutes. Next, your heavy cream. Whisk until it's stiff pink. It's kinda optional. You could add in sugar, vanilla extract, lemon juice. It's all up to you. It's all good. Next is the jam. Just fold it gently and half of it put in a piping bag. And for the remaining balance, I'm going to add in some melted chocolate for the perfect layer and delicious mousse. For these tiny little cups, you can do so much use. You can scoop ice cream, put on candies, custard, and your favorite mousse. It's all good, really, really delicious. This 3 ingredients mousse in a chocolate cup is a great way to impress your sweetheart because it looks fancy and complicated, but it's actually amazingly easy to make. Thank you very much everyone for joining with me for today's recipe. This is Bold Cook TV signing off for now. Hope to see you again soon, saying bye bye.